Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today's tip's going to help your project and your reputation. In many cases, a project manager will receive a project that's already been defined and approved to commence without having any involvement in the definition and its costings, its benefits, and so on. The temptation is to be a good little worker and get on with delivering it, but an experienced project manager will be aware that sometimes the business case on which the project depends is loaded with falsehoods. Even the most honest business leaders will include their optimism and bias, but the least honest will say whatever is necessary to get the project through the approval process. Believe me, I've seen it. So flash forward to the end of the project when it's obvious that it's costing more than expected and or delivering less value than anticipated. And people start talking about the project in the context of it being a failure. Whose reputation is attached to that failure? We know it should be the sponsor, but will they be prepared to take accountability? Or is it just easier for them to blame a dud project manager? Rewind back to the start of the assignment. Don't be a good little worker. Be a cynical, savvy project manager. Don't believe the estimations in front of you. Every forecast is wrong, so how wrong is this one? Start working on the project. Pull the team together. Get the approach planned out. Identify stakeholders, but quietly. In the background, challenge every estimation. Demand to see the calculations and understand how the figures were reached. Load your assumptions log with every assumption used in the estimations. Raise risks for every related threat. And if you find any estimations are flawed, which you will, raise issues. Look to get the project redimensioned via a formal agreement with the sponsor or steerco using whatever form of change control you have available. The sooner you correct this, the less damage you'll take later on. So, was that useful? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.